What's going on, you guys? Before we get this video started, I want to give a huge shout out to HelloFresh for sponsoring this video. If you guys haven't heard of HelloFresh yet, you must be living under a rock because HelloFresh is America's #1 meal kit. HelloFresh makes cooking fun, easy, and most importantly, affordable. Now, the amazing thing about the HelloFresh website is that you're able to curate different meals to whatever you guys need. Let's say you have a family of 2 or you have a family of 4, you could go ahead and select different options. If you prefer meat, if you prefer vegetables, etc., you can make those changes on the website. I'm also hooking you guys up with the code SneakerHeadInTheBay12. That'll be linked down below, as well as the link to HelloFresh. That'll give you guys 12 free meals across 4 boxes with HelloFresh. You can't go wrong with free food. Better use it. So if you guys want to try those free meals, or if you want to learn how to cook different recipes or even try different food, I would highly recommend HelloFresh. Surprise your girlfriend, surprise your family, or even surprise yourself, all right? Don't forget to click the link down below in the description and check out HelloFresh after this video, and don't forget to use that code to get you 12 free meals from that 4-box kit, all right? Once again, huge shout out to HelloFresh for sponsoring this video. Now let's get it started. What's going on, everybody? Today is another day, and another day means another video. So right now we're out here at the Rose Bowl. It's my first time here. It is the first time that they're opening in a while, so there's gonna be a bunch of people. So hopefully we find some good stuff today.
I love Cheap Find Fridays, dude. I'm so happy they're back.
David, you're here?
I'm here.
What are you doing here, dude?
I parked right behind you, dude.
Oh my God, I didn't even notice that. You're looking great.
Thank you.
Look at this. Look at this guy. Zelda, okay. Croc charms, okay. Where can we get those croc charms?
HypeBeastRS.com.
Are you looking for anything today?
Honestly, anything. Anything vintage, Nintendo, Mario, vintage clothes.
We gotta speak it into existence. You're gonna leave with some Mario today, okay?
Oh, that would make my day.
You're gonna be a happy camper, I promise.
Speak
Yes.
it into existence.
Speak it into existence.
I like it.
I love you.
I'll take it.
Thanks, Sean. Hey, Graham. Do y'all know what that arm thing is? Is there a meaning to it, like checking your pulse or something? Or about to hit this real life crossy road real quick. So if you guys don't know what the Rose Bowl is, basically it's like LA's biggest flea market. So there's a lot of vintage people that come here, sell a bunch of heat pieces. There's also people selling other stuff. So it's pretty big. It's not like your ordinary flea market. So we're gonna see if we can find anything cool. Look how freaking packed it is. I don't know what I want today, but I'm gonna see if I could purchase some things to flip on the site. If I find anything cool, let you guys know. Quick little plug, I just picked up this Meister watch. You guys see the little carbon fiber right here. If you guys are looking for a dope timepiece, check out my homies over at Meister Watches and use my code to get 15% off. This one has the Alcantara, so it's super nice. And like I said, you get that 15% off. Perfect gift, perfect for a personal. Make sure you treat yourselves. I have the link down below in the description if you guys want to check out more of their watches. Oh my gosh, I'm here for the dogs. Hey buddy. Ooh, $20 Xbox 360. Comment down below if you remember Red Ring of Death. Oh man, the throwbacks. And the towel method with that, when you do get the red rings. Whew. We got George Washington sewing machine. Oh my gosh. Let's see if it still sews. Oh, it does. Yo, that's kind of lit. Little Garfield vintage clock. An alarm clock too. That is pretty sick. Dude, I thought that was a dog at first. Bruh. No. Look at these socks that we found. They're all custom dyed. They got some patterns right here. Bleached. These cream ones are pretty nice. I like those. If you guys want to give them a follow, boom, right there on Instagram. Give them a follow, show them some love. I like all these socks. Yep. All the colors. Oh, heck no, dude. What is this? 150? Oh, that's crazy. That is crazy. gonna find a PSA 10 in here. What are we looking for? I don't really know these. We need the Charizard. Shoot. Oh, yep, PSA 10 right here. Boom. Got magic carpets for sale here. They have everything. Hop on. We found some black cement 3s. Dustin, could you pass me the black cement?
Yeah.
Oh, they're the older ones.
They're from what? Oh, size 11?
Yeah, I'll take an offer on them.
Okay.
Yeah.
I thought they were the newer release.
No, they're
Yeah.
they're the nicer pair.
How much you want for the Clot Air Maxes?
260.
260. Okay, cool. Thank you. Who are these people? Who are those people? That's creepy. I'm sorry if it's like somebody's great grandfather, but that was creepy. Yo, I love these jackets. I don't know why. They're just so sick. Got SpongeBob. Ooh, this M&M one is fire. These are so cool. This DuPont is sick too. Freaking NASCAR jackets. Yeah, these jackets are sick. Hershey's. Yeah, this would be fire. I've been looking for this piece. Damn. How much? Something about the NASCAR stuff and the colors of it is just so sick. Look at all this. Look at all that. Dude. Jeff Gordon. Whew. You think that'll work? All right, Colin. Stick your finger out. call the bird.
Oh, hey, look.
Dang, Yeezys. Look at that. 750s. Picked up this piece right here. It is a 2000 piece. So what, 21 years old. Super nice and green. Got a little bit of red in there to hit it. And then the back has some stuff as well. So I got this piece for 30 bucks. He was asking 40 and he got for 30. Personal pickup, success.
I'll take it.
I'll take it, bro. Oh. This jacket's super fire. Look at that. 1500 for that one?
Yeah.
Damn, look. A slam wagon. Ooh, new bag coming soon or what?
Thanks, bro. You made it.
Who remembers having a G-Shock? I used to want this one so bad, but I got a white one so I could write my notes and formulas on it with a pencil, and then you just wipe it off whenever you're done. Throwback. And we have the Space Jam 2 basketball with the case. Bart, we've been finding a lot of cool stuff here. Drop a like if you guys are enjoying the video so far. Got some Coca-Cola action right here. Look, the batteries are all acidy. We also got the Coca-Cola trap phone. Look at this. She called him the plug. Plug is right there. Boop, boop. David, why are you grabbing me like that?
Dude. Well, you're not recording though, right?
No, I'm not recording.
Okay, that would have been so embarrassing if you were
I know
recording.
that would have. I'm sorry. I didn't mean to fight with you.
That's okay.
All right, guys, we are officially leaving this. We didn't even go through everything, but this place is so big and half the day is already gone. So we have some other things to get to today.
Show 'em the line.
But look at this freaking line. This line's crazy, bro. Oh my. It just keeps going. Look at that. They look like ants.
Cool.
You could hear the footsteps. Yo, what the? Yo, so we were walking back to the car and we spotted this. And if you guys didn't know, David just sold his car. He already took a photo with David in front of it. And we're gonna prank Instagram to see what they say.
Caption. Stay tuned for the next video.
Dude, do it. And then we're gonna read the comments after you post all that. Yeah, tag me and be like, SneakerHeadInTheBay, hope you're ready for the next race or something like that.
Everyone, oh my gosh, no way.
What's the caption?
The only view you'll be seeing are these taillights at SneakerHeadInTheBay.
Dustin's at work planting the seed right now. He's gonna post this picture first. Let's see how people react to this. To make it more believable, I told David to tag RDBLA for doing the rap and saying like, shout out to RDBLA for hooking us up. I think that'll make it more believable.
I posted on my story.
And then David could repost it. All right, let's see what happens.
A few moments later.
David, how do you feel right now? It's been up for like 30 seconds.
I feel terrible. Like this isn't me. What did you post? Hold on. Congrats, David got kicks. Wait, we racing, bro. I think it makes it more believable that you posted it too.
Screenshot the photo that you posted and just post it on my main.
No.
April Fools!
Bro, why do you post it?
Dude, you blocked me.
David feels so bad right now because he's not the type of person to do this kind of thing. I could tell like in his face, he regrets it, and we're trying to figure out how to tell people that it's a joke. First things first though, we're gonna go get some lunch. We're gonna try pepper lunch for the first time. My first time. Look at this guy. Come on, man. What's not
You
cool?
just recorded him doing a crime.
I incriminated him.
We're in Mexico. I really do feel bad. Like I just lied to my audience. You know, they're not gonna believe me or trust me anymore.
Moral of the story: don't believe everything you see on social media.
Well, they believe it because they trust me. I've never done something.
Okay, moral of the story: don't trust David. Dude, no. They give me chills. I told him to tag RDB to make it more legit.
Do you believe it? Everyone's like, even though you were there to take the picture and everything, do you believe it? Like reading this?
Yeah, I'd believe it.
I'd believe it.
I thought
I'd 100% believe it, just because it's the rap and everything. If you didn't have to rap, maybe not, but like...
I believe it too, honestly.
We're good, we're good.
For a second, I really thought that I did have it.
Now you believe it?
At the end of the vlog, I really surprised you guys, and I'm just like, no, that really is my car.
Dude, that would be the game changer.
I would just
Plot
prank all
twist.
you guys.
Plot twist. When are you gonna take this picture down?
I want to take it down like right now. What if it hits the Explore page?
It's been 20 minutes.
Oh, RDB comments on it.
Oh, dude, if RDB comments on it.
They confirmed, they're like, we never wrapped this. Or the owner of the car is like, hey bro, like delete this. This isn't your car. Dude, like I honestly really feel bad.
You're sweating, bro.
I am. I don't feel good, dude.
This isn't you. At least if they're watching this video, they could see the behind the scenes.
Yeah.
But most of them aren't.
Most of them aren't. Most of them will already know that. I think I'm just gonna comment. Like I'm gonna make a post later and then I'm gonna comment. I don't know, make a story later and just say like, sorry.
Oh my god.